Si here from Music Radar. We're at NAMM 2020. This is the NAMM preview day, media preview day. We are joined by the indomitable Andy Mack from Akai. How you doing?
I'm good.
It's good to see you, man.
Certainly is. Certainly is.
It's also good to see that you guys have rocked up with the MPC One.
Yeah.
Tell us all about it.
Okay, so basically this really brings standalone technology to a whole new audience. So, you know, all of the entry-level beat makers, people who want to get into production for the first time, now I've got a standalone device at a super incredible price point. So you've got all of the features that we've embedded into stuff like MPC Live, MPCX, in a compact and more affordable unit. Yeah. So you've got everything from all of the step sequencing, you've got all of the effects, you've got everything. SD card on the front, CV gate on the back, so if you're into modular electronic music, you can link everything up that way. You know, so yeah, it's a really exciting time for us. Yeah. Really exciting time.
And you say price point is a keen one. What is it roughly?
Yeah. So UK, $639, and in US, $699.
$699,
yeah.
Wow.
Bringing you into the world of standalone.
Yeah.
That kind of price
and obviously, like I say, it's the kind of entry level in the ecology of the MPC family.
Yeah,
but
that's right.
You've not really taken much out, right?
No. The thing is, you know, we've been making MPCs for so long now, and when you look at the workflow and what we've added since we released MPC Live, all of these features are all built into our OS. Yeah. So, you know, when you invest in an MPC, you're not just investing in the hardware, you're investing in new features and all kinds of exciting stuff. So this is like, you know, audio tracks, hands-on control, but also one of the cool things about MPC One is the tactile buttons, because this really speeds up the workflow as well. Yeah. Takes me back to like when I started making beats. Yeah. You know, having dedicated control, you can flip into grid mode. We've got everything on our cue links as well, so we can scroll through our timelines. We can go straight into sample edit. You know, everything's accessible just by, you know, hitting the controls.
Lovely.
Yeah.
We're going to have a proper in-depth sort of chat on your booth tomorrow. Yeah. But thank you so much for a little quick overview of how MPC One is all about. So cheers for that.
Looking forward to tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll get that to you in a bit. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. We've seen this video right now. Do check out musicradar.com for the latest NAMM news as we get it, and check back for that updated video with Andy here and the MPC One. So we'll see you soon.